everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Siddhika, and today we're going to start with a new lesson, that is cell structures and functions for your class 8 from your NCERT textbook. You have already learnt about biotic and abiotic. Bio means life and abiotic means something without life. Biotic including human beings, plants, animals, paramecium, bacteria, algae, fungi, amoeba, etc. Talking about abiotic, soil, air, water, mountains, sunlight, etc. Now, let us talk about the main character of the lesson, which is cell. Cell means life. Cell means a component which is present in each and every living organism. Without cell, every organism is almost dead. It is also present in human beings, plants, animals. It's the structural and functional unit of life. Now, what does cell actually does? Cell acts as a strong barrier or strong wall against harmful diseases and provides us nutrients. Cell actually is the structural and the functional unit of life. Now, what do you mean by structural and functional unit of life? To make you all understand, let me take an example. Now, suppose, have you ever seen the making of a building? What they start with? They start with the cement and then they use one brick above the other, one under the other. This is how they complete one building. In the same way, in a body of an organism, several cells are combined together and pushed into a body of an organism. Then, they act as a strong barrier or wall against harmful diseases and provide us nutrients. This not only provides us nutrients or protects us, also helps in the better humanity. Cell is scientifically known as the fundamental unit of life, and fundamental unit of life means cell. Now, let us talk about the discovery of cell or the invention of cell. So, years back, there was a Mahan scientist named Robert Hooke in the year 1665. So, he was very fond of adventurous. So, he thought of entering the forest. So, obviously, he's a scientist. So, he is carrying microscope with him every time. So, there he saw an old bark tree for about 100 to 200 years ago. So, he thought of cutting the slices of the bark and examining it under the microscope. Then he saw a cork. Cork means the scientific name of the bark. So, he removed the cork, made the slices and examined it under the microscope. He did. After some time, he came to know that the cells were actually separated. They were divided by walls. Then they appeared to be look like honeycomb. So he was shocked. How is this possible? After some time, he thought of naming it and he named it as cells because these cells were looking like blocks. So he thought of naming it as cells. After some time, he came to know that these cells were actually dead. How it is possible? Let me give an answer because I'm very smart. Okay, so basically what happened was the tree is old, very old, for about 100 to 200 years ago. So obviously it will have dead cells. All the living organisms have some dead cells and some living cells. The cells which are dead can reproduce with the new and the healthier ones, and the alive cells, which are the rest cells, can compromise and can breed with those. So this was how cell was discovered. Today we know a lot about cell, its structure, its color, the texture, the functions, the benefits, the advantages, the disadvantages, just because microscope and its high magnification. If there was no microscope, then we could not understand that what is cell actually, how it is useful, what are the benefits for ourselves, and is it a compound or what is the advantage. So, we should thank microscope because because of that we can understand that what all functions, what all structures are present inside our body. So that's it for today. This is just for today. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications of my new videos. Till then, tada, bye bye. And another thing is, this is just the first part of this lesson or the video. The 2-3 part of this lesson or video will be shortly uploaded in my channel. So do watch that. Till then, tada, bye bye. Stay tuned.